Need to stop your Samsung Galaxy from adjusting screen brightness automatically? I'll show you the quickest methods to enable or disable adaptive brightness with just a few taps. Method 1. Through the Settings app. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Next, tap Display. Here you'll find an option called Adaptive Brightness. Simply tap the switch to turn it on or off. When adaptive brightness is enabled, your phone uses the ambient light sensor to automatically adjust the screen brightness depending on your environment. Over time, it also learns your preferred brightness levels and fine-tunes them to match your usage habits. If you disable it, the brightness will stay at the level you choose until you adjust it manually. Method 2. Using the Quick Panel. You can also change this setting directly from the Quick Panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Find the brightness slider. Depending on your Samsung model and One UI version, tap the arrow icon, the three-dot menu, or simply press and hold the brightness slider. You'll see the adaptive brightness option. Turn it on or off, then tap Done if your device asks you to confirm. This is the fastest way to switch between automatic and manual brightness without opening the Settings app. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Samsung tips. See you in the next video.